and it's kind of overcast. I'm all bound up, man. This crossfire stuff is legit. Oh yeah. It's a 3S, or I haven't run a 3S in a minute, so it's gonna take a minute to slow.
Sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Okie dokie, so this turned out to be a pretty good learning experience. Everything is totally fine, but as you can see, I have a little dangly wire here, and this is literally after only a couple, or one flight, 2 minutes of flight time. Can't wait to see the footage, but yeah, I took a pretty good hit, and now we're on the workbench. We're gonna get her back and soldered up here. There's a little tiny guy. I mean, of course it gave out. Look at that puny piece of crap. I mean, this is kind of ridiculous here. So I'm gonna probably hot glue some stuff on here, and this is just a big learning curve, you know. So this is video 1 of the 85X. First 2 minutes in, and I'm resoldering and alright, so I have this wire nice and tinned up that came off of that, and so now I'm doing some surgery here to try to remove the broken wire, because I don't think I really want that there. So I'm going to see how hard it is to go in. Did I get it? No. So there it is. I don't know where it went, but it's gone. So small, there's no way I could ever probably put this on there. But that's what I'm gonna do here. Yeah! So, my bad. I broke the video channel. And that's why I only had 3 minutes of fun with this, but man, it was good. So I can't wait to go back. It's very easy to fix. I mean, it took me about overall 20 minutes to get it back up. It's good to go. Sweet. So in case you guys were wondering, I'm using a Weller. This is a Weller. This is like 16 bucks right here. And I'm using some flux, and I'm using a stainless steel little thing in a tin right there. And I did that nice little solder joint right there. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but yeah, I fixed my 85X after 3 minutes, and that little wire there just needs to be resoldered. I really like the way I resoldered it, and kind of think I might have to do the other ones, but this time I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue over them, and hopefully that'll keep them out of trouble. But yeah, other than that, should be ready to go after a little zip tie in the back, and stuffing these wires in there. Beta FPV has their own little Axie branded Beta FPV. It's pretty interesting. But yeah, please like and subscribe.